Are you looking for a way to delete hidden photos on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you step by step how to easily find and delete those hidden photos. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, let's open up the Photos app, and then, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to hide this photo. So let's tap the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then let's tap Hide. So now that photo is hidden and not visible in the photo library. To find it, tap Albums at the bottom right. And then scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see an option called Hidden, so go ahead and tap Hidden. And then use your Face ID to unlock and access this album. So now, in order to delete this, just tap on it, then tap the trash can icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap Delete Photo. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.